Hi guys, welcome to Wheels World, and we are back with another one of those unboxing videos, and today we are looking at the Mattel Creations Ultimate Edition of the Best in the World CM Punk. Yeah! So, CM Punk, let's have a look. Obviously we've got this box, but then obviously he's in another box inside. So let's get that. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Wow. Look at that figure. Woohoo. It actually hasn't got any kind of thingy over the top of it, any protection or anything like that. So, yes, CM Punk, based on his ECW days when he came to WWE. Yeah, it sounds a bit strange than ECW days when he came to WWE. Obviously, we know that WWE sort of tried to, what do you call it now? They tried to revive ECW. It didn't really go well because it wasn't really extreme like it used to be. But yes, the CM Punk exclusive from Mattel Creations. Let's just see if there's anything underneath here before we get going. Now, normally I would pause the video. Normally I would pause the video at this point, but without falling out of my chair, I just dropped it on the floor. But with it actually not having basically an outer box, so to speak, in the plastic area, we don't need to unbox it. It's pretty much already unboxed. Yeah, this is not going well. Come on! CM Punk's being a punk. I'm getting annoyed now. No, we're not gonna go smashing ring lights. No. We're not smashing ring lights today. So. Oh, come on. One sec. So we did end up having to pause the video in the end because I could not grab this thing to save my life. But it's still out with the box. Bloody hell. Oh, God. I'm getting stressed. I need a holiday. I really do. I need a holiday. Oh, come on. So, I'm hoping that this, yeah, that's just got, so in the part that was there that said CM Punk, you get a little bag of accessories. I'm guessing it's spare heads and hands, something like that. So there wasn't really anything else to it by the looks of it. So when you pull him out, you've got to see the ECW backdrop. Good God. Something bugging me in my throat and I don't know what it is. So, ECW backing. Oh, don't worry, I am alright. It's just stressing. You would have to have those plastic ties on. So, Punk out, finally out of the box. Yes! It's actually really, really good. I think this is the third or fourth time we've seen that ECW belt. I think the first time it came with Terry Funk, and then I know that there was a version of CM Punk, which I think, if I'm right by saying it was an exclusive at the time, that had the ECW belt. Why, Mattel? They put sellotape round the t-shirt. Why? What is that? Why do that? Seriously, somebody really needs to have words with Mattel's bloody design people. Why put sellotape on a t-shirt? That is absolute stupid. Because I can't actually grab hold of it anywhere to get it off. And I don't want to wreck the t-shirt. I think I've got a split in it now, yes I have. Finally. Stupid ideas coming out of Mattel's design place. Who the hell put sellotape on a t-shirt that could actually pull the design off? I mean, seriously, that could have actually... It could have stuck that much to think that design may have faded. Stupid idiots. Bloody get it put in there, Mattel. Good grief. So, with the CM Punk, you get his straight edge tattoo on his stomach area. This is actually quite flush with the stomach area. I mentioned in my MJF video that Mattel should take leaps out of that book. But the thing is, I don't think they're continuing doing that. This one is actually looking really, really good. On the back, it's got just Punk written on the trunks. But yeah, this is a really, really top-notch figure. So let's just have a look at what we actually got in the accessory bag from this figure. So in the accessory bag, yeah, I thought it might have been. It's just spare heads and hands. So the spare hands, and actually the hands that are in it, the wrist tapes are actually more 3D than normal. But then they've given it with the thing, they don't actually do it on there. But it's actually quite a little bit of 3D-ish on there. So then you've got another head with his smug look. And then this one looks like he's just got his balls trapped in something. Yeah, so I think this one would be the main head that I would use on this figure. I don't like the smiling one. I don't like that smiling head. I don't like that at all. So we're gonna swap over to the smug look, which looks so much better. Really, really, really good that. I think I've actually knocked this zoom on this phone as well. So yeah, as you look at that, the t-shirt looks absolutely amazing. CM Punk written on the back with the Chicago stars and everything. Focus. Focus. Yeah, it's been a horrible time now. It's not focusing now. So, yeah, again, with this CM Punk, it's a quite basic design, really, because obviously when he first came into WWE under the ECW brand, he didn't have all that design that he's got on his gear now. So this was very basic Punk. But yes, I really, really do like this. And then obviously you get the ECW Championship belt, which is really, really good. So I like the fact that the material feels a bit thinner. So these sort of flop a little bit better. Still not brilliant, but I think the reason they don't flop as good as they probably should is because of how they are attached to the things. For me, if I was making these, I would make the plates with nothing like that on them. Just a bit of glue. And then I would make the strap with... Have you ever seen the old Wii controls? They used to be able to get a silicone protector for them. And if you just went like that, they flopped. To me, that is the kind of thing that Mattel should use on the belts. I think it would look really, really good. They would flap like they probably should do. I think it would look really, really cool. I mean, I don't know what this material is. I mean, this could possibly be silicone or something like that, but I don't know. If it is, then obviously that idea is already out. But I'm surprised that they haven't done something where they use like fake leather by now. And just sort of glued the plates onto it like people do with the 3D print stuff and all that. So, all in all, the CM Punk Mattel Creations Ultimate Edition figure. What can I say about it? It is a really, really good figure based on his really early days. I mean, the guy. I mean, how long's he been? How old is he now? I don't know, but he's been in it long enough, and honestly, I'm glad to see him back and actually enjoying what he's doing at the moment, with especially now that AJ Lee's back. So, until next time, this was CM Punk at Wheels World. See you next time.